The Skywork company has open-sourced some fine-tuned Hunyuan video models. What makes them special? It features a model that supports image-to-video generation, so we discovered another unofficial method to achieve image-to-video creation. Of course, the official referred to here is Tencent. In the end, I think it's necessary to pull cards, and its dynamics are way stronger than lip fusion.
Navigate to the AI at RunningHub, or click the link in the introduction to register and get 1200 gigabytes. Log in daily to receive 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.
Then we see the workflow directly. This workflow still comes from very advanced and fast, KJ.
It quickly supported this model, and the process didn't deviate from its usual style. On top of the basic process, I made some appropriate modifications. One is creating automatic prompts, and the way to write the prompt should start with FPS 24. What else is key? There is a T-cache. Used for acceleration, it enhances video generation results. The model is loaded here. Touch Compile is also used for acceleration, but it's clearly stated that Triton support is required.
So this is just a basic process, nothing special.
We see this model Skyreal. Let's mainly check its recommended resolution. Width 1280, height 720. The video length is 97 frames with a frame rate of 24. Therefore, we should try to maintain this recommended size and video length as much as possible. If 77 frames are too long, we can use half of it, 35. If performance is an issue, I'd suggest shortening the video length rather than reducing its width and height.
The aspect ratio of the video greatly determines the quality of our generation.
This is a fine-tuned model based on the original model for further adjustment. The original Hunyuan videos also show better results when using larger aspect ratios. We should update this plugin node for the Hunyuan video to the latest version. In the example workflow, it recommends a useful SD community tool called LibLibAI. It offers a rich collection of models and ComfyUI workflow resources. You can run it online without needing local computing power, and it's very fast.
Beyond basic processes, we can build more complex workflows and run them online.
So most of the time, this channel shares open source models and projects, but closed source models are where RunningHub really shines. It brought down the prices of many popular models, such as V2, Kaling, and Wansheng. Some specifications were even lower than the official published prices. The more you use it, the more you'll realize that saving up bit by bit really saves money in the long run.